Hello everybody, Emma here. So I'm doing the prize draw. Let me just get this at the right angle. There we go. So I'm doing the prize draw for September. So everyone that's left us a review on the page got one of our goodie bags and was entered into the prize draw for the Tula Baby lovely blanket. So it's been really lovely to read all the reviews. So we're going to keep it going in November. But also what we would really love is to be able to spread the word a little bit more. So we're going to come up with something where maybe if you invite some friends to like the page and share the page on your profile, that you can also get a lovely goodie bag. So just a little bit about what's in them, because I love Wedella. I don't use many products around the house. I like to keep things natural and nothing with parabens, nothing that can cause any harm. And Wedella are just a lovely company. Everything is grown, I think it's all grown in the UK. It's all grown biodynamically, which means one up from organic. They kind of companion plant things, they look after the land, make sure that there's stuff for the bees, and the way that everything is grown is really well thought out. You can actually go and visit their gardens, which I would like to do. So there's lovely baby oil that you can do nice baby massage with, probably after your baby's about 8 weeks old. Don't use anything on them till then. This one's for mum. Evening Primrose Age Revitalising Body Lotion. Oh, and I'm putting a couple of these in each pack as well, so that you've got plenty to use. A few Nursing Mothers tea. I've just tried this out today. A friend came over and had a cup, and it's really delicious. She had a little bit of honey stirred into it as well. It's caffeine free. It's got lots of fennel and tasted licoricey, and here it says lemon verbena as well. Arnica massage oil, that's really lovely stuff. Arnica helps to soothe any aches and pains, so you can massage that in yourself, into your shoulders, into your back, get someone to do it for you. Lovely calendula shampoo and body wash. Babies don't need washing. I would say use this for yourself or any older children that you've got. Face cream, I've used a little bit of the face cream today as well, and that is really lovely. There's going to be a few of those going in. And what's this one? The White Mallow fragrance free body lotion. So some really beautiful products in there from a lovely company. So yes, so do stay tuned. Oh, that was the other thing. I was wondering what prize you would like to win in November, because we'll do the same thing. We'll put everybody into a draw over the month. Everyone will get a goodie bag, so everyone that gets a goodie bag goes into the draw to the end of the month. So let me show you what we have here. Ignore the mess in the house. But there is a baby Bjorn, bib, feeding bowl and spoon and cup. I think that's a really nice little gift. You can either choose the suck pad, suck pads from Connector, Becco or Ergo Baby. We do have some Rocker Thigh socks as well. Those are like really long socks, which are really great for putting on baby when they're in the sling. So let me know what you would prefer to win. So here we go. All the names are in the hat. Look the other way. Here we go. Oh, it's Sarah Gregory. So you've won the Tula Baby blanket for your grandbaby. That was really lovely. So I'll tag Sarah later on. Thank you so much for everybody that's left a review this month. Thank you for taking part, and please keep taking part. Please keep helping us to reach more and more people, so more babies can be carried in slings, which, yeah, okay. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.